Starting on Fiverr with no portfolio might feel overwhelming, but the truth is many successful freelancers began the exact same way. Fiverr is built for beginners because clients are often more focused on how clearly you communicate, how well you explain your service, and how reliable you sound, rather than how many years of experience you have. Even without a portfolio, you can start strong by creating your own sample work. If you want to offer graphic design, make a few practice logos. If you're planning to do video editing, create a short demo reel using stock footage. If you're offering writing or copywriting, draft sample articles that show your tone and skills. These examples still count as a real portfolio because they prove what you can do. A great strategy for beginners is to start with simple gigs that you can deliver confidently and fast. Instead of offering too many services at once, focus on one or two that represent your strengths. This helps you get your first reviews more quickly, and those early reviews are what build your momentum on Fiverr. Your gig description also plays a huge role. Even if you're new, you can highlight qualities like fast communication, attention to detail, and dedication to good results. Honesty builds trust, and clarity helps a buyer decide faster. Your gig thumbnail is another powerful tool. A clean and eye-catching image can instantly improve your visibility. You don't need complicated designs. Simple, bold text and clear visuals often work best. Since you're starting with no reviews, offering an affordable price in the beginning can also help you land your first clients. Think of this as an investment. Once you earn positive ratings, you can raise your prices and expand your offerings. The more active you are on Fiverr, the better your chances of getting orders. Respond to messages quickly, update your gigs when needed, and keep your account engaged. Fiverr rewards active and responsive sellers by boosting their visibility in search results, which helps beginners get discovered more easily. Starting on Fiverr with no portfolio is completely normal. What matters is how you present yourself, how well you showcase your sample work, and how consistently you deliver great service. With patience and a clear strategy, those first few orders will come. And from there, everything begins to grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beginner-friendly freelancing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.